Welcome to Fitness 332, Stretching and Flexibility. I'm your instructor, Chris Waters. You can reach me via email at watersc@smccd.edu, through our Canvas shell, or through the question and answer message board on Canvas. Stretching and flexibility will be conducted through Canvas and will be conducted asynchronously so you can complete the material and assignments on your own time. In our course overview module, you can see the course description and course objectives for Fitness 332. Our course is divided into 2-week units that require you to complete exercises and submit exercise charts to receive credit. The pandemic has changed our accessibility to gyms and equipment, so stretching and flexibility has been adjusted to meet the needs of our students. Our target time for exercise is 3 workouts per week, with each workout lasting about 45 minutes. We want to make sure each exercise session begins with a warm-up and includes core strengthening and stretching routines. This may include static stretching, yoga flows, or Pilates routines. I encourage students to try different routines and exercises to find the best routine for their physical health. Recommended routines and exercises can be found in our exercise library. Students who have their own exercises or own exercise routine are permitted to use those. They should just record the names of those exercises in their exercise chart. Students who currently have an exercise routine should continue to use their routine while tracking their exercises to submit through their charts for credit. Students with intermediate experience can begin the course by following their own workouts while adding in suggestions from the exercise library. Students who are just beginning to exercise should start by following this recommendation: a warm-up to start your routine, 20 minutes of cardio that you can track on apps like Strava, 3 core exercises from the exercise library, and a static stretching routine to help lengthen your muscles and cool down at the end of each workout. Remember, each unit is based on 14 total days or 2 weeks. Students should exercise 6 times in those 2 weeks, or 3 times per week. Be sure to track your exercises and cardio activity by typing in the name of each to your exercise chart. The Activities and Assignments module in your Canvas shell gives you the assignments that are due for each 2-week unit. It also provides a sample exercise chart for you to use to submit your exercises. You do not have to use this chart. It is just a recommended format so that exercises are easy to chart and easy to follow. The exercise library module is located at the bottom of our Canvas shell and includes exercises for your legs, arms and back, core, high-intensity training, static stretches, yoga flows, and Pilates routines. These are just recommended exercises. You do not have to follow these. If you have your own exercise routine or exercises that you know work well for your level of fitness, please use those and type the name of each into your exercise chart that you submit every 2 weeks. Fitness 332 is meant to improve our overall health. If you have any questions about the routine or course structure, please let me know. Thank you very much. I'm looking forward to a great semester.